Hi everyone, welcome to Careative. Acai, pronounced acai, is a small, purple berry that is native to the Amazon rainforest. It is a popular superfood that is known for its high levels of antioxidants and other nutrients. Acai has been linked to a number of health benefits, including weight loss, improved heart health, and reduced inflammation. History of acai. Acai has been used by Amazonian cultures for centuries for its medicinal properties. The berries were traditionally eaten fresh, but they are now also available in a variety of processed forms, including juice, powder, and capsules. Nutritional profile of acai. Acai is a good source of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins C and E. It also contains small amounts of other nutrients, such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. Health benefits of acai. Acai has been linked to a number of health benefits, including weight loss. Acai is high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. It is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help boost your metabolism. Improved heart health. The antioxidants in acai can help protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals. Acai has also been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Reduced inflammation. The antioxidants in acai can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for people with conditions such as arthritis and heart disease. Improved cognitive function. The antioxidants in acai can help protect your brain cells from damage. This can help improve memory and cognitive function. Acai can be eaten fresh, but it is more commonly available in processed forms. Juice, powder, and capsules are all popular ways to consume acai. When choosing acai products, look for those that are unsweetened and minimally processed. You should also avoid products that contain added sugar or other unhealthy ingredients. Acai is a healthy berry that has a number of potential health benefits. However, more research is needed to confirm these benefits. If you are interested in trying acai, it is best to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. If you like the video, smash that like button. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Share the video in your family and friends. Subscribe for more such content related to health.